Good boy. Hi everyone, I'm John Pollard, the pack leader, and today I'm going to be working on, not this gorgeous dog, Bruno, but I'm going to be working on my brother's dog. Her name is Rip, and she's having some problems with her coming, but we're going to fix her right up. Rip, come here. Rip. Rip, come here. Rip. Come on. Come here, Rip. Come on. Come here, Rip. Come here. Rip, come here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yes. Yes, girl. Are you good girl? Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You're a good girl. That's you. 37 minutes. Getting that dog coming back off leash. Simple as that. She was more challenging than I thought. I underestimated her. Good girl. Come here. Come here. Come here. Rip. Jill's gonna be so happy. Well, yeah, 37 minutes. Taught her to come off leash. 37 minutes. That's all it takes, guys. John Pollard, the pack leader, signing out. Good girl. Good girl.